Hello everybody, today we're gonna see how to sell an ebook on Gumroad. First you should be logged in to your Gumroad account. After that click on Dashboard. Then click on Products. After that you should click on New Product. Choose an ebook and set the price and the name of the product. After that you should scroll up and click on Next. Add your ebook description here. Add the custom URL to your ebook. After that you should upload the cover which has these dimensions. You can also follow your ebook page from this section. Let's continue. Add the thumbnail, it should be squared at these dimensions. After that you should assign a call to action button by this, so a button will appear here. Enter a summary, what will the buyer get. You can add some details such as pages, the book size. After that scroll to update the price and add versions. After that you should click save and continue. After that you should upload your PDF here. Click on this icon to upload files, click computer files and select the PDF of your ebook. After some seconds your ebook is uploaded successfully. Click on publish and continue. And yeah, your ebook page has been published successfully. You can click on this icon to copy the product URL and open it in a new tab. And yeah, you have now your product page ready to be shared to your friends, to people who will buy this product. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and